Welcome to Insurance Funda, your trusted guide for everything insurance. Today, we bring you an exciting plan that combines savings with comprehensive insurance coverage. LIC's Bima Ratna plan number 764. Let's dive into explore why this plan could be the perfect solution for your financial goals. LIC Bima Ratna is a limited premium paying, money back savings plan. With guaranteed additions, survival benefits, maturity benefits, and death coverage, this plan ensures both financial security and wealth accumulation. No wonder this plan is widely regarded as the successor to LIC of India's iconic Jeevan Shri plan, renowned for offering exceptional returns to policyholders. Here are the key features of LIC Bima Ratna plan. Policy terms of 15, 20, and 25 years. Premium payment terms linked to the policy term 11, 16, and 21 years. Minimum basic sum assured of 5 lakhs rupees with no upper limit. Flexible entry ages from as young as 30 days to a maximum of 55 years. One of the standout features of Bima Ratna is its increasing guaranteed additions, starting at 50 rupees per 1000 rupees for the first 5 years, 55 rupees for the next 5 years, and 60 rupees from the 11th year onwards. In today's economic scenario of dwindling interest rates, these guaranteed additions make this plan an exceptional savings tool. On maturity, the policyholder receives 50% of the basic sum assured along with all accrued guaranteed additions, ensuring a significant lump sum at the end of the policy term. Survival benefits of 25% of the basic sum assured are paid in the 2 years preceding the maturity of the policy. In the unfortunate event of the policyholder's death, the nominee receives the sum assured on death, which is the higher of 125% of the basic sum assured or 7 times the annualized premium, along with accrued guaranteed additions. Enhance your coverage with optional riders, including accidental death, disability, term assurance, and premium waiver benefits. Let's take an example of Mr. Ramesh Kumar, a 35-year-old opting for this plan with a sum assured of 10 lakhs rupees. He will pay an annual premium of 79,019 rupees for 16 years. On maturity, he will receive 16 lakhs 25,000 rupees, including 5 lakhs rupees as the sum assured and 11 lakhs 25,000 rupees in guaranteed additions. Additionally, he will receive survival benefits of 2 lakhs 50,000 rupees each at the end of the 18th and 19th years. LIC's Bima Ratna plan is more than just insurance, it's a secure, guaranteed way to achieve your financial milestones. Thank you for watching. For more insightful videos, subscribe to Insurance Funda and hit the bell icon for updates.